everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again. On today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a DIY wrap jumpsuit. It is a multi-way universal jumpsuit. It is really easy. It will take nothing less than 10 minutes of your time. As a matter of fact, I'm actually exaggerating by saying 10 minutes of your time. And if you have not subscribed, please do and do. You know this channel, we do a lot here, so don't be greedy. Tell everyone around you that something great is happening, okay? So, and my existing subscribers, I'm saying mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you all. Thank you very much for what you're doing. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So this is one of my designs from the jumpsuit. I hope you like it. Stay tuned. Needing two of these fabrics. This is 2 meters. So we'll need an extra one for the other part side. So all we need to do now, this is 2 meters. All we need to do is measure out our crotch depth. Our crotch depth from here is, the distance from here for our crotch depth is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters, and my crotch depth is 13 centimeters. So I'm just going to create a mark here, and I will mark down from here. So after marking down from here, I'm going to curve it to form the crotch. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what I am doing here. Two meters folded into two, and I'm marking out my crotch depth, which is 13 centimeters. And from there, from here, I'm going to mark out, curve it to form my crotch. If you can see that. So now I'm going to trace it out. So this is it. So now I'm actually putting the fabrics together. And after putting them together, I'm going to sew around the crotch depth. If you are not, if you don't understand what my crotch depth is, please refer to my short pattern tutorial where I did a tutorial on it. So we're going to sew around, and this is the straps that has been cut out. So I'm going ahead to sew my crotch area. basically, this is the only stitching, the only serious stitching you need to do. So when we're done with that, we're done with this now. I'm going to go ahead and then form band with this. Just close it, sew it, and turn it inside out. I'm going to add the straps to the sides of the pant. So I'm just going to trim all the edges off. Then turn it inside out like this. Trust me, this is going to make a very beautiful outfit. You can wear it just anywhere you can wear it to. So this is what we are going to end up having. We're going to end up having this. So this is one, so I'm going to sew all the other three. So as you can see, I have sewn here round, and now we have 4 of this, one here. Remember, this is 2 meters, 2 pairs of 2 meters. Then we cut here out. We cut my crotch out, and after cutting out my crotch, I'm going to add this to the sides to create a band by the sides. So I'm going to sew this. Sew it from the inside, not the outside. When you sew it from the inside, you repeat the same thing here on the other one. You sew it from the inside. You do the same thing here. All the 4 straps are going to go on each of the sides. The same thing here. This is a crotch. This is a crotch, as I mentioned earlier. This is our crotch. So I'll go on the side. There are 2 spaces here. So I'm just going to sew the straps. Remember to sew the wrong sides together, not the right sides together. Wrong sides inward. So I'm just going to sew it together like that. Then I'll repeat the same process on the other side as well. So we are done here, and this is look 1, and this is look 2. I'm trying to put it on. I hope you're seeing how I'm putting it on. You first of all tie the front before getting the back to tie to the front as well. So that's how you form the pants. As you can see. You can as well just play around with the fabric, play around. It's a multi-way style. You can wear it in different ways, but these are just the ways that I was able to come up with a style. And if my kids were not in the house, I believe I would have been able to explore some more. So this is it. Yes, girl. So as you can see, it's a very free pant. This is the pants form. It's very free. You can wear. This is something you can wear out to just any occasion. It's just different and unique. So this is how you untie it. Now I'm going to tie the jumpsuit. This is actually my favorite. Like, it is just, this is just my kind of thing. This is me. This is just a definition of me. So, as you can see, you have to tie the neck. When you tie the neck, you adjust the front, then bring the ropes to the front and tie. You can tie it to the front or you tie it to the back. You decide what you want to do with your jumpsuit. But guys, just look at this. Isn't it just amazing? It's just beautiful, huh? So you decide how you just want to wear it. If you want to have it on with like what I've got on, or you can actually wear it just alone. Like sometimes it depends on the mood I am. I can actually wear it alone like that as well. Yeah. So look at all that. So beautiful. Just so beautiful. You all know I have to do my dance, right? So this is, I think this is the last look I'm getting from this, and all you need for this is just patience. You can just make out time and tell yourself, okay, I'm dedicating this time to make or form different designs. Just play around with it, with your cloth, and I'm sure you'll come out with something even better than what I've got here. So this is it. So I hope you've all subscribed. If you've not, please kindly subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a comment below and I'll respond right back. Thank you all for watching, and God bless. I'm going to leave you to continue watching till the end. Goodbye.